Hey all, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be going through profit tracking for your Amazon business. In this particular video, I'm going to be focusing on the monthly report that I pull off Amazon and then how I use that for getting a net profit figure for my sales. So without further ado, I'm going to go into this. One thing I will note is that it's quite difficult to do this because you are working a lot in Seller Central and there's a lot of sensitive information. So I've just pulled off a screenshot here of the Seller Central homepage, a part of it. And what you need to do is click the View Payment Summary, which is in the top right-hand corner of the Seller Central page. Once you've done that, you'll get to a page like this. And from here, you'll be on Statement View. If you click on Date Range Reports, and by the way, you need to do this for each marketplace. I'll just say that now. So this is for the UK marketplace, and I also sell on all the other EU marketplaces. And if you click Generate Report, choose the month you want to do it for, click Generate. It might take a while to download. And then when it's done, just click Download. And that will give you an Excel file. And then from that file, what I'll do is, it won't look like this, but you get given a bunch of information like this. I've hidden some of it because it's order IDs and I don't really, like SKUs, that kind of thing, I don't really want to show. But all this information here, apart from the rows either side, will be from that report. So what I've done is I've deleted the information that I don't need. So I've just gotten this stuff. I've deleted everything that's not an order or refund because they're expenses or other income like reimbursements. So I'll worry about that. That's my expenses and other income. This is purely sort of I'm trying to get a net sales figure here, or so a net profit from my sales. And on the left here, I've added in the cost of purchases for items. So I've got an inventory tracking spreadsheet where I record my purchases, and so I'll get the cost of purchase there. And then this net profit figure is an easy calculation. It's just the profit that Amazon give you for your sale minus the fees, minus the cost of purchase to give me a net profit. When I've got a refund, I'll add the negative amount of the cost of purchase. It's not perfect science, but it works for me. Just so I can get like a rough feel of where I'm at. Yeah, I mean, this isn't probably not the perfect way to do it, but it's how I do it. So the only thing I'm really adding here is the cost of purchase for each item. And then this will be my gross, I guess it's gross profit figure, net of fees. So it's my total sales minus all of Amazon's expenses for referral fees, fulfillment fees, and net of the cost of sale, well, cost of purchase. So yeah, I don't know if it's probably not what you need for your accounts. I'd personally recommend getting an accountant for that, but this is really useful to me to get an idea of where I'm at. And obviously this is only one side of the story. You obviously have a lot of expenses and you have a lot of other income. So what I do for that is I'll go get my bank statements or credit card or whatever. I guess credit card feeds into bank, but I'll pull off my statements and I'll look at all my expenses and my other income. So for example, expenses such as software, and I'll get all my expenses and total them up, and I'll get all my other income like cashback or discounts from gift cards, and I'll total them up. And you can get a net profit figure like that pretty easily. And I don't think this will work from an accountant point of view. You've got to speak to your accountant and see what data they need. But for me, it's really nice to sort of know where I'm at. Whether it's worth the time, I don't know. Someone requested they show them how I do this, so this is what this video is kind of for. But I really like it because it gives me a good idea of where I'm at. Yeah, if you've got any questions, then the best place to ask them is in the Facebook group, which I'll link below. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you subscribe and hit that notification bell, then you will be notified of all my new videos. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.